Hello everybody, today I'm pleased to present you this beautiful black Polytone piano accordion in very good condition with minor sign software. On the treble side we have 41 keys, 4 register switches and 4 sets of reeds. We do also have a palm switch for the master. The registers can be turned off and on separately, so I'm gonna show you a couple combinations and you're gonna see how it sounds like. On the bass side we have 120 bass buttons, 2 register switches and 5 sets of reeds.